Bobby, you're being a little bitch. Hi, morning. Well, we had to change some things around because we did notice that there was a line that was kinked.
It's starting to kink, so we pull it off. We re-verified on the video.
And so...
Now everything's all in and not as kinky, which isn't always fun. Sometimes kinky's fun.
But the cool part is after this is done, we get to vacuum the system, right?
We're gonna suck off Allan's system.
And he's supposed to be straight. Anyways, so yeah.
Hey, close your eyes. It probably feels the same either way. What does Scotty always say?
Except that thing on your face.
It's always pink in the middle.
Yeah. But yeah. Well, he's bolting that up. We'll get a video of us hooking up the machine, and
we're gonna suck it.
But all right. Well, that's enough gain this morning.
Never.
Later.
All right.
Oh, yeah?
Everything's nice and tight, yeah, Mr. Burns?
Oh, yeah.
Ja?
Yeah.
Ja. Compressor's in. We're waiting on our new belt to show up. Because that thing is funky. We're going to put the vacuum pump on, and we're just going to let this baby ride for a little while. An hour or so. Which is fine, because it's going to take them at least an hour for us to get the belt, because we come in at 6.
Butt crack dog.
And nobody decides to get their butts in gear till 8, if we're lucky. Anyway.
Well, that one always wiggled like that.
Yeah.
Wiggle. That's plastic for you.
Yep. Anyway, so everything's there. Vacuum pump's going on.
That's what she said.
We're gonna suck it off. We are currently sucking, gang. Huzzah! Yeah.